Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. I wanted to talk to you today in regards to the latest updates from Pinterest. Since last night, we have a new tab. You press here and you see your new engagement tab. We have all of our pins here. The impressions, the close-ups, the clicks, the repins, the comments. Then the next pin. It's incredible. We didn't have that before. Pinterest adding new things every day. So it's incredible for us and it's making our lives so much easier. And remember, guys, that since last May, this May basically, we have another change that Pinterest add to our feed is actually the title. You need to make sure all of your pins that have the title on, like this one for example, or you can put some hashtags on your new pins, of course. And this is something that you need to do. You need to update the titles on your pins, because since the last algorithm changes and every change that Pinterest does here and there now, you have to keep it on the top of it and try to catch up, because any pins that you pin before April 2019, they need to be updated, and you need to put keywords on the title or the title of your blog post or your services. And this is something, you need to understand that if Pinterest is giving us some data or space to put data on, you need to do it. You need to put some data on, because this is going to help you to push your pins to the smart feed. Also, as you know, we can use hashtags, and you might say, oh, how many hashtags can we use? Well, you can use 5 to 6 hashtags on your new pins, not your old pins. And I mean, at the moment, Pinterest only allow to put the hashtags on your new pins, not old pins. And it doesn't allow more than 20 hashtags. So don't put more than 20 hashtags. Pinterest doesn't want more than 20. The other thing I noticed is, even if you don't have the hashtag or the relevant keyword, I just noticed recently I put sales, pitch, marketing, and then you press enter. And I found a lot of my pins here. And I just want to let you know that not all of my pins, like this one for instance, or this one, they have the hashtag sales, pitch, or marketing on, but they have the keyword on. So there's something for you to remember, that you don't necessarily have to put the hashtag on, but you need to have the relevant keywords for you to help you get your pins seen by other people. And then, of course, the design and the rest of it. Remember that unfortunately we do not have the hashtag generator anymore, that any hashtag comes automatically when we pin. So all you have to do is, or you search for the hashtag and all your search, for the keyword, and then put a hashtag on, and that will help you to push your pins to the smart feed. And the other things you need to remember that is the more followers you get, the more your pins you go up to the smart feed. Because if you don't have many followers, or you don't do any effort to have many followers, it's not going to help your pins to push up. The more followers, the better. Also, in terms of pinning, you need to have a strategy. And what you need to remember is that if you want to pin on your own boards, is much better because it shows Pinterest that you know you pin it constantly, and it's help you with a smart feed. I noticed that I get much more followers and more engagement when I've been to my own boards rather to the group boards. Obviously, the group boards you get more followers, you get a lot of more engagements. I mean, I get engagement for both, but it's going really to help your account and grow your account faster if you pin constantly from your from your own boards basically. So that's it for the day. I do have a free cheat sheet that you can download from my website. It's a pinning strategy to give you a couple of ideas how to grow your accounts faster. And that's it for the day, guys. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your day.